happen to stumble across this page, we're gonna go ahead and get right on into it. If you guys happen to stumble across my page and you guys are like, oh my god, I've never seen her channel, you know what I'm saying? Welcome, welcome, welcome. And before we get started, I'm gonna need for y'all to do something real quick for your girl. Go ahead and subscribe down below. You know, it's that big old subscribe button down there. It should be either over here. You cannot miss it, you guys. And don't forget to ding your notification bell so you guys are alerted every time that I drop a new video. And why not? Go ahead and support me. Go ahead and join the fam and let's grow together, you guys. Everybody is welcome. And also, you guys feel free to leave any comments and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up real quick. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up real quick just for your girl. Just so I know that you guys will enjoy the content that I'm putting out. But today, you guys, I just basically wanted to come to you guys and I was like, I'm about to get dressed up and do something with myself today. So I decided to get summertime fine. Caution, I am not a professional makeup guru, but I do like to do a lot of makeup. I do like to do, like, you know, makeup looks and stuff like that, but I'm not like the one that's like, I don't know how to really explain it, but you get the gist. I'm a basic makeup chick. I mean, I ain't really like, you know, I'm not like the professionals, okay? So if you're like me and you just basic, you just like to look cute and just a little go out looking, you guys want to know exactly how I got this look, go ahead and stay tuned. I hope that you guys all enjoy this video. I do not want to keep rambling on this, you guys, but I hope that you guys really enjoy it as much as I did. And I love the finished look. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some looks, and that's all I got, you guys. That's all I got. Go ahead and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started into this video. Bye, guys. Alright, you guys, so we are going to go ahead and get started. First and foremost, I'm just using some basic concealer. I think that I actually got this from Fit Me. I just go ahead and I'm going to put it all on the top of my eyelids because I want everything just to blend in really good and I want like a smooth finish. So if you guys see me bopping around, you guys, I was jamming music. I wish you guys could listen to it, but unfortunately, copyright. Then I'm just going to take this jumbo milk pencil that I actually got from, I forgot where I got this from. I think it's by NYX. Yeah, it's definitely by NYX. I'm just going to line my eyelids because I want my colors to pop. You know, I look a little bit crazy right now, but it's all going to come together. Trust me on that, you guys. You just want to make sure that you're blending it on in. Alright, so right now, you guys, I'm not really going to go through the products that I'm actually using, but I believe I got this from my Anastasia Beverly Hills, but it's basically like a light green color. If you have a light green that's sort of or similar like this, just go ahead and use it. You know what I'm saying? It's not that serious. You know what I'm saying? Just get like a nice light green and you can still try to achieve the same look. And what you guys see me doing right here is I'm just basically blending the color in on there. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure you're getting it nice and blended. You guys, I totally sound like not a professional, but oh well. I actually thought I was going to mess up on this part, you guys, because it was actually darker than what I expected. I was actually trying to go with like a lighter color, but it's still pulled together, you know what I'm saying? It's all about blending, you know what I'm saying, and making it work. So it's basically like a light, I don't know, I would say medium brown color. But I literally thought it was going to mess up, but thankfully it didn't. And then you just want to take like a really dark green right into your crease and right on the outer corners of your eyes. Like I said, you guys, you can attempt this with any color palette that you have. It is not that serious. I'm not going to sit there and try to sell you guys any products because this video is not a sponsored video. This video is just, you know, telling you guys how I achieve the look. I'm not trying to sell your product. And what you see me doing right here is I'm just going on and I'm blending it on in there. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure you blend it in there because, you know, if you guys watch my previous videos, you guys already know I do not like the harsh lines. So this freaking color, if you guys, I cannot remember it, but I will definitely drop it down below. I love this. It's actually from out of that Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, but it's like a shimmery green pigment. It's light. I'm telling you, that thing goes on there so freaking good. Like, let me tell you what, her pigments are point on. I ain't gonna lie, they're spot on, okay? And then what you guys are gonna see after I do what I do to one eye, I'm gonna do to the other eye. I'm gonna go ahead and take another shimmer palette that she has in there, and it's like white with a bit of pink sparkles. Oh my god, you guys, just watch how it comes together. still like amazed looking at it with how much pigment picks up. Now watch with the white one, with the white shimmer, with the pink in it. Oh my god, look at it, look at it. Good God! It is coming together, you guys. So again, you know, so I want the colors to pop. I'm just going back in with that dark green right on the outer corners of my eyes, and you just want to make sure that you blend it on in there, because I'm not really a professional with the cut crease. I tried it, been there, done that, but I'm definitely going to keep going because practice makes perfect. This is not actually a cut crease, you guys, because I didn't use any concealer to basically cut the color or anything like that. So I did the bougie kind. So I took one of my eyeshadow brushes and I dipped it into a gold shimmer powder, and that's basically what I'm doing right there. I'm just basically lining it. It's nothing really serious. It's nothing, you know, but I'm actually really shocked at how good and how pigmented it actually picked up on it. Like, I didn't really have to, you know, use any concealer or anything like that. So that right there, you guys, that you're seeing is basically just like a gold shimmer. Nothing serious. Gold eyeshadow shimmer, for reals. I was praying, you guys, that I actually did this right. I was like, please do not mess this up, Carrie. You was doing good. But you know, sometimes whenever you try to go extra, it ends up messing up. I actually did my eyeliner off camera, so right now you guys just see me applying my mascara and my eyelashes, of course. Eyelashes, I swear, they bring together any look unless you're going for the natural look. But whenever you're going dramatic, girl, throw on a pair of eyelashes and you are good to go. Just look at it. Oh yeah. My mascara on the other eye, and then the same thing, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. I've actually become a lash pro. When I first started off, you guys, I didn't know how to apply lashes. Those things would come off in the middle of the day. It was looking crazy. I couldn't get all the way down to the waterline. I was just, yeah, a mess. But your girl's a pro right now. Well, at least on this video, I'm a pro. That eyeshadow's popping. Alright, so right now I'm just basically using some Fit Me concealer, and I want to brighten underneath my eyes and on the top of my nose just to give it like a little nice contour. Look how bright it makes my under eyes look. Sometimes, you guys, I really do not like to do the concealer look, but for the sake of this video, you know what I'm saying, I just decided to go all out for you guys. And you're just going to take your little powder and you're going to put it underneath your eyes to set your concealer, because you don't want it to crease. If you don't do that, I swear by the end of the day, you're going to have creases and you're going to be looking crazy. You're going to be looking wrinkly. You will thank me later. But yeah, powder definitely sets it down. Right now, you guys see I'm taking my NYX contour stick and I'm just contouring the sides of my cheeks. I really don't need it, but I just do it for the sake of this video, you know what I'm saying? Just give you guys some dramatics. And if you have a big ass forehead, just go ahead and slap that thing on your forehead too. That's what I'm doing right now. I got like a 5 head, so yeah. And again, right there, you guys, I'm just setting powder all around my face to make sure that I'm not sweating throughout the day. I'm just locking it all in. Don't forget your nose, because I sweat really bad in my T-zones. And right now, you guys already know what it is. I am basically lining the tops of my lips. Because you can't have a popping eye and just a basic lip. You know what I'm saying? But the thing, the trick of this is, right, if you're doing like a bright eye, you guys don't do like a bright lip. I mean, I've made mistakes like that in the past. You know what I'm saying? It was like, where was I going with that look? I don't really know. You definitely want to keep it in the nude family with the lips. And you know, I'm just using some, you know, beauty store lip gloss. You know, the kind that your mom used to get you back in the day. It was like 50 cents with the little flavors. All right, you guys, so we finished our makeup look. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like I told you guys, I am not a professional by any means, but I do like to get dolled up for time to time and just look really cute. So I'm gonna finish this look off, you guys. I'm gonna give you guys some previews of the eyes, and then we're gonna put on our outfit and we're gonna get it all the way together, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to look sexy for the summertime.